ముందుగా ప్రియమైన విద్యార్థులకు మరియు వారి తల్లిదండ్రులకు నమస్కారం. నా పేరు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ చైర్మన్. నేను ఈ రోజు 10th క్లాస్ విద్యార్థులను దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకొని మాట్లాడడం జరుగుతుంది. అది ఏమిటనగా, మనందరికీ తెలుసు, గత 2 సంవత్సరాలుగా కరోనా కారణంగా విద్యార్థులు ఎటువంటి పరీక్షలు రాయకుండానే పై తరగతులు పంపడం జరుగుతుంది. ఫలితంగా ఐఐటి జేఈఈ మరియు నీట్ లాంటి జాతీయ స్థాయి పరీక్షలను సాధించడం కష్టతరం అవుతుంది. దీనిని అధిగమించడానికి మరియు 10వ తరగతి పరీక్షలో అత్యధిక మార్కులు సాధించడానికి నేను మీ ముందుకు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ద్వారా అనుభవజ్ఞులైన అధ్యాపకులచే ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులు, హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్ మరియు గత ప్రశ్నపత్రాల సమాధానాల విశ్లేషణ ఇవ్వబడును. కాబట్టి నేను విద్యార్థులకు చెప్పదలుచుకున్నది ఏంటంటే, ఈ ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులను మరియు హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్లను క్లాస్ రూమ్ లో కూర్చొని చదువుకున్నంత సీరియస్ చదువుకోవాలను. ఇంకొకటి ఏమిటనగా, ఈ యొక్క క్లాసులు విన్న వెంటనే అర్థం చేసుకొని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయవలను. ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయడం అంటే కేవలం చదవడం కాదు, పేపర్ మీద రాయవలను. అలాగైతే గుర్తుండిపోతుంది. దీంతో పాటు మీ యొక్క నాలెడ్జ్ ని పరీక్షించుకున్న కొరకు త్వరలో ప్రీ ఫైనల్ పరీక్షలు కూడా నిర్వహించబడు. ఈ యొక్క అవకాశాన్ని సద్వినియోగం చేసుకోవాలని 10th చదివే విద్యార్థులకు విజ్ఞప్తి చేస్తున్నాను.
June 2019 previous year questions, acid basis and salt lesson. So how does test nature of the solution formed by dissolving CaO in water. Dissolving CaO, calcium oxide, CaO in water. CaO in water. So how does test nature of solution formed by dissolving CaO in water? So calcium oxide dissolved in water, it form calcium hydroxide, CaOH2, calcium hydroxide. So its pH value is nearly 10.5. Its pH value is nearly 10.5. So it is basic nature solution. So pH value 0 to 7, that is called acids. pH value exactly 7, neutral. So 8 to 14 pH value, that substances are called bases. So calcium hydroxide pH is around 10.5. So it is basic nature solution. So next, coming to the another question is second question is sample solution and its pH. Sample solution and its pH values. So milk, gastric juice, distilled water NaOH, sodium hydroxide. Next milk of magnesia, Next, last one, washing soda. This is the sample solutions. Sample solutions and its pH. Milk pH is 6.8. Gastric juice is 1.2. Distilled water is 7. Distilled water is 7. NaOH solution is 14. NaOH solution is 14. Milk of magnesia 10.5. Next, washing soda. Washing soda pH is 12.6. 12.6. So this is given one table. Sample solutions and its pH values. Milk pH is 6.8, gastric juice 1.2, distilled water 7, NaOH solution 14, milk of magnesia 10.5, washing soda is 12.6. 12.6. So answer the following questions by using the above information. Answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. Using above information. Using above information. So first question is, which of the above is neutral solution? So first one is, which of the above is neutral solution? So this is the first question. So which of the above is neutral solution? So neutral solution means pH value is exactly 7. pH value 0 to 7, that is called acids, exactly 7, that is called neutral, 8 to 14, that is called bases. So the above data, distilled water pH is 7. Distilled water pH is 7. So which of the above is neutral solution? So answer is distilled water. Answer is distilled water, H2O. Distilled water pH value is 7, that's why it is called neutral solution. Neutral solution. Next, second question is, second one is, which of the following neutralize excess of acid in stomach? Excess of acid in stomach. So which of the above solutions, which one is used to remove or neutralize excess of acid in stomach? So that is called milk of magnesia, aqueous solution of magnesium hydroxide, aqueous solution of magnesium hydroxide, MgOH twice, magnesium hydroxide, is called milk of magnesia. It is easy to remove excess of acid in stomach or neutralize excess of acid in stomach. So that is called antacids. Antacids, that chemical substance are called antacids. Antacids. So which of the above neutralize excess of acid in stomach? Aqueous solution of magnesium hydroxide is called milk of magnesia. It is used in antacids. Antacids. Next, third question is, third one is, which of the strong acid above the solution? Which of the strong acid above the solution. Above the solution. So pH value is 0 to 7, that is generally we call it acids. So in this table, gastric juice pH is 1.2. Gastric juice pH 1.2. That's why it is strong acid. Gastric juice, strong acid in the above solution. So gastric juice consists of HCl, hydrochloric acid. It is useful to digestion of food, hydrochloric acid. So which of the following is strong acid? Means that is gastric juice. It consists of hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid.
Hello students, my name is Vishal Kumar Sharma and I did my BTech from IIT Kanpur. Right now I am associated with K Venkana classes, and at K Venkana classes we are bringing your IIT top Delhi faculties. I am an HOD of mathematics at K Venkana classes. Okay. Now if you are choosing MPC, then you will have a chance to be taught under top Delhi faculties. If you are choosing BIPC as your subject, then you will have not only IIT faculties as well as a proper doctor teaching you. Similarly, we have if you are choosing MEC and CEC, so after second year for your CACPT exam, we have a very expert faculty specializing in CACPT. So what are you waiting for? Come and join KVC.
Next, fourth question is, what is the color of, fourth one, what is the color of, what is the color of phenolphthalein? Phenolphthalein indicator in, phenolphthalein indicator in NaOH solution. What is the color of phenolphthalein indicator in NaOH solution? Generally phenolphthalein indicator in basic solution, it gives pale pink color. Pale pink color. Phenolphthalein gives pale pink color. So what is the color of phenolphthalein indicator in NaOH solution? So phenolphthalein indicator gives pale pink color in basic solutions. Any basic solution, maybe NaOH or maybe KOH or maybe calcium hydroxide or maybe magnesium hydroxide, anyone it is. So in the basic medium, phenolphthalein indicator gives pale pink color solution. Pale pink color solution. So this is the data, this is the questions. Okay, so which of the above is neutral solution? Neutral solution means pH value is exactly 7. So distilled water pH is 7, that's why it is called a neutral solution. Next, second one, which of the following neutralize excess of acid in stomach? So milk of magnesia. Aqueous solution of magnesium hydroxide is called milk of magnesia. It is used to remove excess of acid in stomach. That's why it is called antacid. Antacid. Third one, which of the strong acid above solutions? So in these solutions, pH value of gastric juice is 1.2. So gastric juice consists of HCl. So it is stronger acid, gastric juice, pH value is 1.2. Next, fourth one, what is the color of phenolphthalein indicator in NaOH solution? So phenolphthalein indicator generally gives pale pink color in basic solutions. Basic solutions, pale pink color in basic solutions. So next coming to the 2016 model paper, 2016 model paper. So how does the soil of agriculture lands get tested for pH? How does the soil of agriculture lands gets gets tested for pH. How does the soil of agriculture lands gets tested for pH? Generally agriculture lands pH 5.5 to 6.5. It is more suitable the growth of plants. This pH range is more suitable for growth plants. So pH value is 5.5 to 6.5. It is more suitable for higher growth of plants. That's why soil of agriculture lands gets tested for pH. So this pH range, it is suitable for higher growth of plants. Next another question is, antacids are used to produce acid in stomach. Option A, to produce acid in stomach. Option B is to produce water in stomach. Next, option C is to neutralize the excess of acid. To neutralize the excess of acid in stomach. Next, D is to neutralize the excess of base in stomach. Neutralize the excess of base in stomach. So these are the 4 options. So antacids are used to remove the excess of acid in stomach. So option C is the correct one. Neutralize the excess of acid in stomach. So in stomach, hydrochloric acid is released. It is useful to digestion of food. So excess of acid is released in our stomach. So these acid can be neutralized by taking bases. That bases are called antacids. So antacids are neutralize the excess of acid in stomach. 2015. So in this question paper, so one objective question is there. So soaps do not create water pollution. Because of soaps do not create water pollution because of. Option A is soaps are insoluble in water. Soaps are insoluble in water. Option B is soaps are soluble in water. Soaps are soluble in water. Option C is soaps are 100% biodegradable. Soaps are 100% biodegradable. Soaps are 100% biodegradable. Fourth one, soaps are 100% non-biodegradable. Non-biodegradable. So soaps do not create water pollution. Soaps do not create water pollution because of soaps are 100% biodegradable. Soaps are 100% biodegradable chemicals. Biodegradable means it is destroyed by virus, bacteria and fungi. Biodegradable. So that's why soaps do not create water pollution. So these questions came in 2000.